Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making teriyaki chicken. It's ideal to use chicken's thigh, but I'll use tenderloins instead. Add some cooking wine, a few slices of ginger, and ground black pepper to chicken, and marinate for 30 minutes. Prepare some broccoli and carrot slices. Blanch veggies in boiling water. Add salt and oil. Hey Siri, 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
Now we'll make teriyaki sauce. Add soy sauce. Add dark soy sauce. Add honey. Add oyster sauce. Add sugar. Add water. Add starch. Then the sauce is ready. Heat pan with oil and pan fry chicken with gentle heat until both sides turn golden brown. Pour the sauce in and turn to strong heat until sauce boils. Then turn to gentle heat again and simmer for 5 minutes. It tastes great. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. See you next time.